Happy for you, light for me. Happy light for you, light for me. I love the beach, said Otto. There are so many fun things to do. I want to sit on my chair, said Otto. But this chair is and heavy, and I can't pick it up. Heavy for you, like for me. I'm big and strong, said Ross. I can pick up your chair. Look at me. Your chair is light, said Ross. Oh, well, I think my chair was just stuck, said Otto. Now I want to drink my juice in the shade. I will set up the umbrella, said Otto. I can set up the umbrella, said Ross. I'm big and strong. It's easy for me to pick it up. No, that's okay. I can do it by myself, said Otto. Why is this umbrella is so heavy? Said Otto. I think there is something wrong with it. Oh, please. It may be heavy for you, but it's light for me. I can pick up the umbrella, said Ross. Look at me. This umbrella is so light. I don't want the umbrella. I don't want the umbrella. I don't need it. I want to build a sand castle, said Otto. Look at my sand castle, said Ross. This pillow is so light. It's so easy to build a sandcastle. Let me try, said Otto. I can make a big sand castle too. Do you need help? Asked Ross. No thanks, said Otto. Oh no, shouted Otto. Everything is too heavy for me. I can't pick up anything, said Otto. Wait a second, said Rock. I can't pick up this beach ball. My hands are too big. Why don't you try? Said Ross. Wow, said Otto. I can pick up this beach ball with no problem. Thanks, Ross, said Otto. Everything is not too heavy for me. Now I can throw the ball back for you. Oh my gosh.